Okay. Hey guys, today I'm teaching
It's a bit warm in here.
this guy
This guy.
how to land on an aircraft carrier because I'm the professional.
Hi.
Did one time.
He did it once.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, he's happy. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's take off gun already.
Oh, a cool shot could be like putting your visor down. Yeah, that was cool. Now record it.
I am recording.
Oh.
What?
Are you like using the camera or your face?
The camera.
Okay, whatever.
What?
You don't understand my. Oh, you didn't put the TGP on.
To be fair, so do you.
Hmm?
Oh, we're on the grass.
Trust me, bro. I know what I'm doing.
Going onto the grass. Oh,
No, we're not. I'm a drift master, honestly.
Okay, the Robbie can.
The motherland.
Okay, Robbie can.
Do you want me to like do an authentic takeoff where you come to a stop and all that bum stuff?
Sure. Well, he didn't even.
Yeah, ATC, blah blah blah, whatever. Let's go. Bah.
Take two. Sorry, I didn't think it would be that devastating.
Well, I thought you were still flying and in control, and then it just stopped,
Oh.
didn't move. Because I was intentionally taking ages on the runway, so I thought you were like, screw this, and just started flying.
Oh, my bad. I thought you were taking off, but I was good. I thought you were like off, so I was gonna mess with that. Okay.
Shouldn't mess with some multi-million-dollar jet.
Okay, I'll give them a look. Just so I can see how to take off.
Oh, you want to play that game?
Oh, no, yeah, okay. Oh, what are you gonna say?
You heard that drift?
Oh, wait, okay, you put your hand up. Oh, so you got something now, okay. Yeah.
The bum can.
Oh wait, I meant joystick.
Ah. Does the joystick cam get that?
Oh wait, I wasn't looking at it. Okay. Joystick cam.
Or I stopped.
Well, wait, hold on, wait. There we go. Wait, yeah, now it's working.
Did you fart? It smells gross in here. George, answer. I'm role playing for the camera.
No, but I feel like mine would go that way. Yours would stay there. Smelt it, don't it? Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be teaching you how to land on the
Yeah,
aircraft.
you kind of suck at the teaching part, but like at the recording part, you're average.
If I've set off the rocket.
Yeah, this is where the master at work comes in. To clutch. Ah, wait, what's the song? Ain't worry about it right now. Oh yeah, me singing and getting uploaded to YouTube would be peak.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. What's adequate knots? Gang, surely.
I just realized I turned on the game. Oh wait, oh with the landing?
Overtake.
Oh!
Oh! I caught the
what?
wire!
You did
Yeah! Okay, we need a repair though, right?
Oh yeah, I think we're quite broken.
Rearming not available.
Why not?
But the only way to repair is to rearm. Oh, is it? Bruh.
Well, you guys just saw how you land on the aircraft carrier.
That is how the pros do it. Do you wanna... What would be a cool outro?
I'll come join you up there. There's kind of a wall here. Let's meet in the middle.
I don't have a wall there. That's the empty spaces.
Oh yeah, come over here then.
Oh, that's where my boundary ends though.
Oh.
Oh, anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to drop a comment.
Oh yeah. Okay, wait. I'm just gonna leave the camera over there because I gotta go over to my computer to end the recording. The camera's here.
Wait, is it pointing at me? Or
Yeah,
you?
it's pointing at your cockpit.
Oh, okay. I can click the buttons.